Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Golf 2.0 TDI 116B horsepower. 5. Door Edition 75, a perfect blend of style, comfort and safety. With only 11 kilometers on the clock, this white beauty is loaded with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control and more. The interior offers luxury trim, cup holders and a load cover for added convenience. Security is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and a collision avoidance system. Plus, the privacy glass and spoiler add a touch of style. Rest assured, this vehicle has been fully inspected, serviced and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details.